comfortable sila. So, at saka, dapat syempre, they feel good wearing that. And also important to look good. Pero number one is comfort. Ano lang, tank top, shorts, tapos t-shirt, pants.
Yan. Parang utility pants siya. Yan.
Tapos boyish.
Oo, you match it with what? Pag yan yung mga suot.
Ano lang, t-shirt, tank top. Mabilis is odd, tapos mabilis din ba rin?
Ano yung nakaka-attract sa'yo when you buy pants?
Low waist. Low waist or hipster.
Bakit?
Parang ma-accentuate yung booty.
Okay.
Gusto ko yung mga classic hit. Tulad itong pumps, itong black, tapos itong may strap na black heels din, tsaka shiny shoes.
Mga style.
Platform.
Okay, platform.
Yeah. Para mas comfy kasi siya, tapos mas stable. And kung kuha ka ng shoes, dapat mas maganda yung medyo maluwag na konti kaysa masakit. Lagi nagta-travel, tapos so kailangan ng music. And kinaganda nito, Q15, Quiet Comfort 15. Meron siyang sound cancellation.
Okay, what does that mean? Sorry.
Kahit nasa airplane ka, hindi mo narinig yung engine.
Ano siya? iPhone?
iPhone 5, first generation eh. User-friendly. Tapos, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, always online. Kaya kailangan ng iPhone. Ito, Mac Air. I got this siguro 2 years ago. Kasi I have a vlog. So, whenever I go out of the country, kunyari, New York City, in-upload ko yung video ko with my private tours and museum of things. So, lahat nasa vlog. Nag-research ako kung ano yung pinakamaganda, kung ano yung comparison ng bawat features. Yeah, features. Tapos tinatanong yung mga friends ko. Tapos yung manager ko, kasi he is also into he's techie, so hindi ako advice. So gusto ko yung sweet, light, pag may araw, daytime.
Okay.
Tapos paggabi, medyo mas maganda yung mas fragrant, mas strong ng konti. Kailangan i-test mo muna siya sa on your skin, tapos walang irritation. Yung second, dapat gusto mo yung amoy, dapat gusto mo yung amoy niya, yung bagay siya sa body mo.